Basic building block number 8. Basic building block number 8, the last building block. Now this, most people when they do trainings, I see them doing basic building blocks, alright, they run through number 8 very fast because it's finishing. Whew, I finished my training, let me run through it. No, this is fundamentally important because this is what I call a core pillar of the concept of network marketing. Now network marketing is not about superheroes. Is not about superstars. You can be the greatest networker in the world, perfect presentation, perfect follow through, your dream list, your name list, your commitment is 110%, alright, you counsel your upline every time, but that's good, only if you can duplicate it. So basic building block number 8, duplicate. Basic building block number 8 emphasizes the whole philosophy of network marketing. Now I am a great networker, Padman Sinatiraja, but that doesn't mean I become financially free. The only way I become financially free is when I create hundreds of Padman Sinatirajas. When I create thousands of Padman, alright, that's how I become who I am today. So I'm a good networker, great networker, doesn't matter. The main question is, how many great networkers have I created? How many great networkers have I trained, inspired, motivated and guided that they become as good as me? And here's the clincher, or they become better than me. This is the only business in the world where you could be the upline senior leader and you want your downlines to actually become better than you. Because I am here today because my downlines today have become better than me. They have created new techniques how to show the plan. They close more people than I ever did. And I'm happy because all the UV comes back to me. My checks get bigger, their checks get bigger. It's a win-win situation and we all become financially free. So the concept of duplicate is everything you know in network marketing. You share, you train, you empower. Now in a traditional business, everything you know you won't give your manager. Alright, if you are the CEO of the company, you're not going to share all your knowledge with your manager. Why? Because he's going to take over your company or start a new company and compete with you. Now in network marketing, it's a win-win situation. Alright, whatever you know, you give and ask them to learn even more. Now what Dato' Vijay did was he shared his wealth of knowledge, his wisdom, his experience in his journey to financial freedom with me. He never held anything back. He sat with me for hours and guided me and shared with me. And I was thinking, wow, this is a damn good upliner. He's sharing everything with me and I understood the philosophy. He was trying to create more Dato' Vijay's. He was trying to create more networkers who believe in the concept of network marketing, alright, who's going to build strong, powerful, sustainable networks. Now starting networking is easy, alright, most people always start great, alright, if you think about it, alright, why duplication is so important, okay, or duplicate is so important, because everyone starts networking, boom, alright, and you are working very hard and you are showing plans and you are doing everything full of excitement, but you have how many hours in one day? How many hours do you have in one day? 24. I checked, alright, the big boss is not going to give me more than 24 hours. So if you are one person and you have 24 hours, alright, that's it. How many plans can you show? How many follow-throughs can you do? How many people can you meet? How many parties? How many presentations? How many trainings can you go to? So after a while, when you max out your 24 hours, your network starts to die. Because there's only one Padman. Alright? So the concept of duplicate is to create 1,000 Padmans. If I create 1,000 Padmans, how many hours in one day do I have? I have 24,000 hours of plans being shown, alright, trainings being done, business presentations being done all over the world. Now this is one aspect of network marketing which is totally different from traditional business. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Create people like you or better than you. Share your knowledge, share your experience, give everything away, alright, so that you create more people like you. And the more people you create, alright, the bigger your check becomes, the closer you reach financial freedom. Now this is one philosophy that you must take very seriously. That network marketing requires you to change the way you think. Basic building block number 8. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate.